I recently picked up a laser printer on Facebook Marketplace, and today I'm making laser image transfer prints on my gel press. Not all laser printers print with enough toner to create an image transfer, and if you're having this issue, I've discovered a great hack. Copy your black and white images on the darkest setting and print them in color. Next, give them a coating of clear spray lacquer. The lacquer coats the toner but soaks into the unprinted paper, so your prints are perfectly primed for creating image transfers. Here's where you have to experiment a bit. You need just enough black paint on your gel press to coat the press, not too thin, not too thick. Place the sprayed print face down for a few seconds and then lift. The black paint will soak into the unprinted paper, and the coated toner acts as the resist, allowing the paint to stay on the gel press. Science. Let the black paint dry and then add some color. Press down your paper and pull after about 30 seconds. Let's try a few more prints and see what happens. After the eye image is dry, I'm going to sponge on different colors and let the second coat dry. Once it's dry, add some white or some matte medium, press and pull the image. I love the way this looks. Now we'll try it on the church image. Perfect. I hope you'll give this a try, and if you have any questions, just drop me a line and I will get back to you. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.